Hello everyone. It's a new syllabus Mathematics Book 1, Chapter 8. Percentage. A man works in a company, whose salary is $1,600. There is an annual increment of 5%. In the next year, his salary has been increased 5%. What would be his new salary? How much dollar has been increased in his salary? 5% is equal to 5 out of 100. It's mean, every $100, there is an increment of $5. So, how many hundreds are in $1,600? 16 hundreds. So we would add $5 16 times, or we can multiply 16 by 5. 16 times $5 equals $80. There is an increment of $80. His new salary will be $1,680. Mathematically, first, we would find 5% of $1,600. 5 out of 100 times $1,600. 5 times 16 equals $80. Increase salary is $80. New salary equals original value plus increase value. $1,600 plus $80 equals $1,680. If there is a decrease of 5%, we will subtract $80 from $1,600. Our final answer would be $1,520. In Singapore, the Good Progress Award, GPA, is given out to the top 10% of students within each level and stream in every school who make significant improvement in their academic performance as compared to the previous year. There was an increase in the value of the award from 2008 to 2009. The table shows the value of this award for each level from 2008 to 2009. Given that there was an increase of 50% in the value of the award from 2008 to 2009 for a primary 5 student, calculate the value of the award for a primary 5 student in 2009. 2. Calculate the percentage increase in the value of the award from 2008 to 2009 for A. A primary 2 student. B. A secondary 2 student. Let's solve Part 1. Part 1 is, given that there was an increase of 50% in the value of the award from 2008 to 2009 for a primary 5 student, calculate the value of the award for a primary 5 student in 2009. There is an increase of 50% for a primary 5 student. We are going to calculate the value of the award in 2009. If you observe carefully, an increase of 50% means $50 has been increased. So, the value of the award in 2009 would be $100 plus $50 equals $150. Numerically, first, we will find the 50% of $100. 50 out of 100 times $100. The increased amount is $50. Now, the value of the award for a primary 5 student in 2009 is $100 plus $50 equals $150. Now, Part 2 is, calculate the percentage increase in the value of the award from 2008 to 2009 for A. A primary 2 student. B. A secondary 2 student. Let's solve part A first. Percentage increase of a primary 2 student. In 2008, the value was $50. And in 2009, the value is $100. How much amount has been increased? $50. Increased amount is $100 minus $50 equals $50. Now, how much percent has been increased? If the original amount was $50, and the increased amount is also $50, its mean, increase percent is 100%. Numerically, increased percent is, increase amount out of original amount, times 100%. Increase amount is $50, original amount is $50, times 100%. Increased percent is 100%. For part B. Percentage increase of a secondary 1 student. In 2008, the value was $150. And in 2009, the value is $200. How much amount has been increased? $50. Increased amount is $200 minus $150 equals $50. How much percent has been increased? Increased percent is, increase amount out of original amount, times 100%. Increase amount is $50, original amount is $150. Increase amount is 50 out of 150, times 100%. 50 out of 1, 50. 50 out of 3, 150. 1 out of 3, times 100%. Increased percent is 100 out of 3%, or 33 whole 1/3%.